Hey guys. Today we are going to be playing gimkit, and I'm going to show you guys how to build a world. How to create a map. So here you're going to go to gimkit creative. You're going to sign, do all that kind of stuff. I'm making a video on that. Then you're going to push create map. You're going to name your map. You can name your map anything you want. I'm just going to put start map. So you also can choose this, a platformer or top down. Top down is where you can move up, down, all around. A platformer, you could build something like you could make a jumping game, parkour game. While top down, you could make some kind of PvP game or something. So I'm gonna choose platform for this, and then you're gonna push create. You could also push cancel if you don't want to do this or something. You could just exit out. You don't have to push. You can also push the X. So create new map here. This is working. Crap. Okay, so you can push create. Once you push create, just wait for it to load in. It might take a while. Okay, you're in. The control is pretty simple. Up, to the side, all normal things. So you're also gonna push this up here, the plus button. Once you push this, all this terrain devices stuff will come up. Let me teach you guys about the terrain first. You could pick what you want to do. Catwalk's my favorite. You could place, right? And then place again. Do that. And then this is your start button. You'll start your game by pushing this. You start right here where you spawn. And, normal controls, jump, all normal things. Nothing really different about it. The only thing I do kind of hate is that the only way to actually change the spawn point, I'll show you real quick. You have to go to separate whole thing, push this, and then you have to go to devices. You're going to go down. You're going to see text, zone, pop-up, button, barrier, sentry. So what you want to look for is the force player to respawn here. That's pretty fun. But what you want to do is the spawn pad. You can push this here, right? And then if you push start game now and test spawn here, you'll spawn here. The only thing is, you actually sorry. The only thing is, you have to put it up a little. Let me show you. You're gonna push can you move? You're gonna push M to move it, and then go up a little. You might be saying, but that's dumb because you're gonna spawn up here. Well, this is actually not a physical box, you will not stand on it. So now if I push start, instead of spawning that block like you just saw me, look where I'm spawning. I'm spawning on top of it, as you can see. So now that we've that done, I'm also going to show you checkpoints. By the way, the reason it's so laggy is my internet is very low for some reason. Okay, let me show you checkpoints. Oh yeah, there's also endgame. You can end the game by pushing this. But then there's also the, oh yeah, is that it? Wait. Teleporter, game. I'm going past it. Crap, I'm not going back. I went past it. Is that it? Checkpoint. Oh my god, I keep going past it. Trust me, it's here. Here, checkpoint. So if I put this here. Wait, I just need something else. Laser beam. I'll just search this one. You can also search laser beam. There's no laser beam. Laser beam. What the hell? Wait, what? How do you spell laser? You have to put a capital? Wait, what? Aww. There's no laser, it looks like. Ugh. Wait, is there no laser? Wait, there's no laser. It's not showing me. Wait, where's the laser? No. Yeah, laser beam. Here. Put this here. Click on it. And then call this damage dealt. You want to put to like 800 if you want to instantly kill the player. I put it to 1,000 all the time because you could just push C to copy it. You can also change the laser color. It's pretty nice. So you're gonna. I just need to start my game. So start. Right? Oh my gosh! I hit the checkpoint. Right? The thing spawned there. You're gonna spawn. Yeah, here by my checkpoint. Is it useful? Yeah. Is it kind of annoying to have to add in to every checkpoint? Yes. It will happen every time, no matter how many times you die. Also, this is just the starter intro. There will be more to follow up this. But for now, I think that's good. Tomorrow I will release more about how to sign up to gimkit maybe, or I'll just teach you guys the basic controls, how to move stuff around, and look at that. Anyway, guys, end the game, and I think I'll see you guys